welcome to my channel. Even though we are in the middle of summer and the heat is high, the days are long, I know that in a blink of an eye, fall will be upon us. Cooler weather, shorter days, and football season will be starting. I started going through the Dollar Tree signs that I had collected, and I found this football sign. It is really cute as it is. However, it is very fall centric, so I wanted to give it a little bit of a makeover. I started by painting the sign brown. I used my favorite brown acrylic paint by Apple Barrel. It is called Burnt Umber. I used a small brush to carefully paint around the stripes and the laces on the football sign, and it took 2 coats to cover all the lettering. I painted the stripes and the laces with some white chalk paint that I had on hand. I believe that it is Rust-Oleum brand, but it does not have to be a chalk paint. You can use acrylic. I've been trying to use this chalk paint whenever I can so that it does not dry out and go to waste. Whenever I have a free minute, I try to pop into Ollie's. I check on their paint section. When they have a stain, a chalk paint or a spray paint at a reduced price, I will buy it. But chalk paint does have a shorter shelf life, so I am using what I have for this project. I used a small fine-tipped brush and simply traced the outline of the stripes and laces off of the original decal that was on the sign. This is a really good project. If you are not a good freehand artist like myself, you can finish this off with a simple trace and paint.
Like that, how could I wanna be anywhere else? Got a heart of gold and a soul to match. Can measure this moment in a photograph. You look so beautiful, baby. I know you're the love of my life. You changed my world. Yeah, you saved me without even trying.
Dollar Tree around Father's Day will bring in licensed NFL items, and I have found these Kansas City Chiefs stickers. They are removable stickers, so if you want to permanently adhere them, you can use Mod Podge. However, I put the sticker on the sign and smoothed out all the air bubbles, and the sticker did not lift up. Now this cute little Dollar Tree sign is not only ready for fall, but it will be ready for the entirety of the football season. It is a cute wall decor piece, or you could prop it up on an easel, make it into tabletop decor. I have an idea of what I'm going to do with this cute little sign. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will know when I've uploaded a new video, and then you'll be kept in the know on how I finish this project. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like Dollar Tree DIYs like this, and thanks for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.